Hi, welcome back to a new episode on this channel. This will be a different episode because I don't have all the parts in for my Piaggio MP3. Today I purchased this roof box. I will need it for the holiday is coming. I'm driving to Croatia. If you can see it, there's a used one. I want to scuff this down and paint it in the same color as the car. Not exactly the same color, but almost the same color. So let's scuff this down, clean it, degrease it, put some primer on it, and then put some coat on it. Now we have sanded down a little bit. We are going to degrease it. I'm using some brake cleaner. It is very good to degrease the surface. So now we degrease everything, and now we apply some coats of primer. So my primer was out of primer, so I used another primer. This is a special flexible primer. So now we let cure this, and then we put some base coat on it. On camera you see lines, very bad, but in real it is really smooth. So it's dried enough. I hope I have enough paint. I got 2 cans already used, some out, and I got a complete new can. So let's put some base coat on.
I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you. I can't do nothing with you.
So I put 2 coats of base coat on it, 2 layers, and now apply some clear coat. in this episode I was painting this roof box. It was not the episode I wanted to make, but I want to make content for you, so that's why I have to make this episode of this roof box. The parts of the Piaggio MP3 are not in yet. The postal service is not working great, so as I mentioned in the past episodes. I let this cure now for a few days. The weather in a couple of days is very good, so it will dry fully and cure well. If you like this episode, please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and when you put post notifications on, you don't miss out on anything. If you like this channel, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and help me growing this channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.